JT here with Treasure Valley Financial Planning, jumping in to do a little training on how to access your investment accounts with TD Ameritrade. This is important because it's going to give you access to things like your monthly statements, your tax forms, and really and the values of your accounts that are updated every day. So it's an important thing to have access to this. Probably the easiest way to get there is to start by going to our website, treasurevalleyplanning.com, and on the far right, you'll see a tab called Client Center. From there, you're going to have access to several different portals, one to submit service requests, one for your family website, and the one you're looking for this particular item is going to be investment accounts for TD Ameritrade. So as you click that, it's going to take you directly to something called advisorclient.com. And the first time you come here, you're going to want to click over here to set up my profile. You'll next click Get Started, and it's going to ask you for your 9-digit account number. We won't share this over email, so you'll need to call us to get it, or you will receive it in the mail after you establish a new account with us. But you'll need that 9-digit account number, and then you'll need to choose to have a confirmation of a phone call or a text message. Once you do that, it'll take you to another screen and have you register your account by creating a username and password and setting up security questions. And once you've done that, you'll gain access to the platform. If you have any questions, please let us know at 208-813-9500. Our team's always here willing to help you with anything you may need, and we hope you have a great day.